Microsoft Entra ID and Intune are incredibly powerful tools for managing identity and devices. But here's the challenge. Most organizations barely scratch the surface of what they can do. Policies are left unused, features go unconfigured, and devices remain inconsistent. That's where risk creeps in. AndroForge takes these enterprise tools and makes them work for your business. We configure them so every device is visible, policies are enforced automatically, and onboarding and offboarding are seamless. That means no guessing, no inconsistent setups, and no blind spots. It's not about buying more technology. You already own the licenses. The difference is in how they're implemented. Our expertise makes the technology deliver the outcomes it was designed for: security, scalability, and simplicity. The result is a backbone that gives your leadership confidence. Every new device is set up correctly. Every user account is controlled. Every policy is enforced without extra work. If you're ready to turn underutilized tools into a foundation for growth, contact Andromeda and we'll prepare your quote today.